Hello, it's Jason with Fresh Start Detail. So we've been having an issue with Porsches the last few years. I'd say 3 years now we've noticed this issue. Customers buy a brand new Porsche, bring it to us to get it polished, and then the opti-coat Pro Plus paint protection on the paint, the ceramic coating. And we've been noticing these lines in the paint, these little tiger stripes. So we've contacted the dealers, both the dealership in Bend and the one here in Portland, to ask them what they think's going on. The dealers, they're clueless. You know, they'll say anything. They have no idea. I had my suspicions. And so when we had a client call us and say they're buying a new Porsche and they're gonna bring it down to us, I told them, tell the dealer, leave everything on it. Do not take the shrink wrap off. And what I thought was true has been confirmed. So let me show you what I'm talking about and then tell you what we can do going forward to help this issue. So the problem is that the paint, see these marks right here where the shrink wrap is put on? These little marks, I can almost promise you, are going to be left in the paint. I don't know if that's because they put this on when the paint was too fresh or it's been on too long or whatever. But this is the exact pattern we've been seeing on new cars. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, and yeah, I mean, this is very typical. So what I'm going to do is take this off. And then I may have to shoot another video in the lights, but we're going to really look along these areas, you know, right where that was laying. As it is right now, I can't see any marks, but we'll get it under the shop lights and see. So whether this vehicle has that issue or not, it looks like that little spot doesn't, but we'll take all the wrap off and see. So what I'm getting at is, if you're buying a brand new Porsche, you'll want to inspect that really close. The good thing is it can be fixed. We can polish it and correct it and make it fine, but it's not cheap because we're working on a brand new car, especially if it's a darker, like black or whatever. But we can take care of that, and we can bill Porsche for it. They'll pay to fix it. They've always paid us to fix the prior ones when this issue happens. So don't get stuck with a $1,000 bill with me. It'll get billed to Porsche because we have video proof of the issue. So anyway, just something to consider when you're buying your new Porsche.